She does it. She does it. Unless husband says she cannot get out of the threshold. No. Husband says go. Says came. That's Sati Pativrata, chaste and devoted wife. That is what. Paid obeisance, all right. Sadhu Maharaj, all right, how can I serve you? What do you want from me? Please tell, I am ready to serve you. Fulfill your desire. So immediately, Billamangal came to senses. Oh, these eyes put me into such dangerous situation, nasty eyes. These are nasty eyes. So he came to senses, said, all right, I don't want anything from you. Please give me your hairpin. Hairpin, do you understand? Then both husband and wife thought, why Sadhu is asking for hairpin? Why he wants? Why does he want? Sadhu is moving on barefoot, some thorn might have pierced his thorn is pierced into his leg or soul. He wants to remove the thorn, therefore begs for hairpin. But thorn is there in the heart, isn't it? So he begged, all right, give me your hairpin, I don't want anything. So as soon as he gave her hairpin, immediately plucked out his eyes, plucked out, you see. Can anybody do so? Pluck out his eyes? Immediately plucked out his eyes. That is the test. That in his heart, no such thing, is all external. All external. Ọজ্ঞানে বা হয় যদি পাপ উপস্থিত কৃষ্ণ তারে শুদ্ধ করে না করায় প্রায়শ্চিত্ত. Krishna knows the heart. What is going on in your heart? Yeah? What you are whispering in your heart, Krishna knows. Because he is there in the heart. Antarjami. Krishna knows it is not in the heart. It is all external. So Krishna excused him. So he immediately plucked out his eyes because his nasty eyes put me into such dense situation. So what is the use of this eyes? Plucked up. That's test. So, blinded, became blind. Immediately Krishna arrived. Immediately, you see. If you'd have some simple thought, would have Krishna arrived there. And he would not have plucked out his eyes also. No, he's completely absorbed. Completely absorbed. A developed Krishna completely absorbed in that. It's all external. Krishna tare khema korai. Krishna excused him. Purifies him. No need of atonement. Krishna immediately arrived there. Oh Sadhu, you are going to Vrindavan. Now you are blind. How can you go? How can you go now? You are blind. All right, I am going to Vrindavan. Catch hold of this stick. Catch hold of stick. I will lead you to Vrindavan. The Krishna led him to Vrindavan. Then arrived in Vrindavan. All right, now you are in Vrindavan. Then he snatched away forcibly the stick from his hand. Isn't it? Then what he said? What he said? Bilongla. Oh Krishna, this is your Paurusha. This is your Paurusha, Purusatta. What is it in English? Manliness. Manliness, yes, manliness. This is your Paurusha. Manliness. You snatched away a stick from my hand. Can you go away from my heart? Hrudaya jadinirjasi purusam varayaviti. If you can get out from my heart, then I can actually be a real Purusa. Real Purusa. Otherwise, what is this Purusa manliness? You slipped up from my hand. Is Bhakta, Premi Bhakta? Can say so. Who can say so? Who has bound of Krishna, the rope of love in the heart. Yes. Sada muktopi bahosmi bhaktena snaharajjubhi. Hari Bhakti Suddhodaya. Sada muktopi bahosmi bhaktena snaharajjubhi. Krishna says, though I am supremely independent, supremely free, there is no bondage to me, supremely free, supremely independent, still I am bound up with the rope of love of my Premi Bhakta. Bhakta ama Premi bandhi ache hrudoya bhitare. Premi Bhakta has bound me up in his heart, the rope of love. Almighty, Krishna is all powerful, almighty. But he says, I have no strength, no power to break that bondage. No power, no power, no power, no power, no power. I cannot. I cannot break that bondage of love. Understand, Chaitanya Priya? Krishna is all powerful or mighty. He said, no pare, no pare, no pare. I cannot break that bondage of love is so strong. How can you break? How can you break? Are you more powerful than Krishna? The bondage of love is so strong, tight bondage. But Krishna cannot get out from it. Therefore, beloved, can you get out from here? Hridayadhyasi prabhusamgonayamita. If you can get out from your heart, then I can consider you as real manliness you have, paurusha you have. You slipped up from your hand. What paurusha it is, You see? Who can say so? Premi bhakta. He has bound up his heart. This tight bondage. Krishna cannot get out of it. This is Krishna. This is the supreme perfection of human being. So, in order to have this, develop this prema, what should be done? What? Here, Prabhupada says here, it is for this reason that the great liberated souls also desire to be associated in hearing and chanting the activities of the Lord. This is needed. Sravanam. Associate with such sadhus, premi bhaktas, and hear Krishna Katha, Bhagavad Katha, such nice nectarian, sweet Katha of Bhagavad Katha, Krishna Katha, Bhagavad Katha, Amrita. Do you understand? Yes. This is what is said here. It is for this reason, great liberated souls also desire to be associated in hearing and chanting activities of the Lord. Sadhu Sangye Hoy Krishna Katha Alapana. Who speaks Krishna Katha? Sadhu Sangye Hoy Krishna Katha Alapana. In the association of sadhus, premi bhaktas, their Krishna Katha Alapana is their discourse of Krishna Katha. Such nice topics go on. You understand? Yes. So liberated souls, here you say. Great liberated souls desire to be associated in hearing and chanting the activities of Krishna. Sravanam sunatam sukatha Krishna punya sravana kirtana udesto hi avadrani vidunoti susada tava kathamrutam tapta jivanam tava kathamrutam tapta jivanam kavibheditam karmasapam sravana mangalam srimadatam bhuvi gunantite bhuridajana. 10th canto Srimad. Hey Krishna, tava kathamrutam tapta jivanam kavibheditam sravana mangalam karmasapaham bhuvi gunantite bhuridajana. Oh Krishna, your kathamrita, your nectarian katha is soothing balm to the afflicted heart. The heart is afflicted with three tapas, adhyatmiko, adhidaiviko, adhibhautika. Do you understand? Heart is afflicted with the three types of tapas, adhyatmiko, adhidaiviko, adhibhautika. So, what is the soothing balm? Tava kathamrita. Krishna, your kathamrita, your nectarian katha is soothing balm to the afflicted heart. And the heart is afflicted, three tapas, adhyatmika, adhidaivika, adhibhautika. Yes. It's just the affliction gives new life. Yes. New life, the spiritual life. Bhakti jivan. Kavibheditam. Those who are their devotees, kavis, those who know everything, those who know you, they know everything. Jasmin vijñāte, sarvam eva vijñātam bhavati. Who knows everything? Who knows Krishna? He knows everything. Do you understand? Jasmin vijñāte, sarvam eva vijñātam bhavati. Knowing whom, everything is known. Put it. Understand me? Knowing Krishna, everything is known. But Krishna is. This is such kavis. Those are kavis. Those are their devotees. Who have known Krishna, they know everything, Kavi, they speak. Karmasapaham, hearing such Krishna Katha, nectar and sweet Krishna Katha, all your sinful reactions will be destroyed. Savana Mangalam. By hearing Krishna Katha, Bhagavad Katha, all auspiciousness will be there. All inauspiciousness will be driven away, destroyed, and all auspiciousness will rise. Srimadartatam, this is endowed with spiritual strength. Srimadartatam, bhuvi gunanti de bhuridadana, those who speak Krishna Katha, Bhagavad Katha, in the world, they are great charitable persons. Bhuridadana, great charitable. What they are giving? What they are giving, you cannot estimate it. You cannot estimate it. Understand? Bhuridadana, therefore say Bhuridadana. So first thing is hearing, Sravanam. Isn't it? Yes. Srudekhita patham, there is one verse in third canto. Srudekhita patham, your goal of life, supreme perfection of life, goal is Krishna Prema. How can one get Krishna Prema? Associating with the bhaktas, sadhus, premi bhaktas and hearing Krishna Katha. Srudekhita patham, Sruta ikhita. If you hear, then you will be able to see beautiful form of Krishna. Do you understand? Premanjana surita bhakti vilochanena santa sadaiva hrisu vilopayanti jamsyama sundaram achintya guna sarupam govindam adi purusham tamam bhajami. Premanjana surita bhakti vilochanena. What sort of eye vision is required? Premanjana surita bhakti vilochana. On whose eyes this ointment of love is smeared. Premanjana surita. Who has developed bhakti vilochana, so devotional eye. Only he can see the all beautiful form of Syama Sundara within and without. Isn't it? How can one develop? Where is it available? Is it available here? This Premanjana ointment of love is available here. Some industry, factory is there. And Yogendra Prabhu might have set up some factory here, manufacturing that ointment of love, so we can get it from him. You can get it from, or become an employee in that factory. Then you can get it. Isn't it? Is it available, Yogendra Prabhu? No. Are Baba, Allah, so sorry, I came here. So thousands of miles I came here, now I am disappointed. What to do? It's not available here. I thought of Yogendra Prabhu had set up that factory, so I'll be an employee in that factory, so I may get it. I am disappointed now. Where it is available? Who has set up that factory? The Premi Bhaktas. The Premi Bhaktas are there. They speak Krishna Katha, Bhagavata Katha. That factory is there. And it is produced there. If you go, Sadhu Sangha, here also, Krishna Katha, Bhagavata Katha, automatically that anjan, that ointment will be smeared on your eyes. Then you can see, oh, beautiful form of Syam Sundar, within and without. Without that, how can you see? So Sravanam is first, hearing is first. Therefore here Prabhupada says, that great liberated souls desire to be associated in hearing and chanting activities of the Lord. Sravanam is the first thing. Navadha Bhakti, first comes Sravanam. In the form of Sabda, what? The Sabda Brahma. Bhagavan in the form of Sabda Brahma descends. Understand? Bhagavan, Sabda Brahma in the form of words descends. A premi bhakta sadhu speaks, and a greedy person who is greedy, developed greed for this Krishna Katha. Whose soul is hungry and thirsty. What is his food? Krishna Katha, Bhagavad Katha. That is food for the hungry soul. The hungry soul, they come. Yeah, I am hungry. Where is food? Oh, here is sadhu. Krishna Katha is going on, so he gets food. So in the form of word, Sabda Brahma, Bhagavan, descends into form of word, the Sabda Brahma, and enters through the ear. And goes to the heart. Do you understand? This is hearing. You see, Parikshit Maharaj, his dying condition is in dying condition. You have no time at all. Only 7 days time. So he felt restless. How can I get this supreme perfection of life within very short time in dying condition? Is there anybody to help me? Isn't it? Many sages, saints, Brahmarshis, Rajarshis, Maharshis, all were present there. They couldn't give perfect answer. At last, Sukadeva Goswami came. So he gave perfect answer. You hear Srimad Bhagavatam. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu. Anonymously all said, yes, that's the only thing. You understand? Sukadeva Goswami spoke Bhagavatam. Continuously for 7 days. And Parikshit Maharaj continuously hard, day and night, giving up, eating, sleeping, everything. Hard, constantly hard. You see? There is no such instance or example in the history of the world that in a dying condition, in a very short time, one can get the perfection of life. Only by hearing Krishna Katha, Bhagavad Katha. The hearing is most important. When Sukadeva Goswami was speaking, Sukadeva's father and Guru, Vyasdeva was present there, Vyasdeva's Guru Narada was present there, all heard from Sukadeva Goswami. He is Acharya. You understand? Hari Katha, Krishna Katha, Gaura Katha, they heard. Therefore said, in Kali Yuga, this most degraded age, Kali means quarreling, isn't it? Quarreling. Why quarreling going on? Because measuring rod is dambha, pride. Measuring rod. Kali means quarreling. 2 persons quarreling, 2 communities quarreling, 2 groups quarreling, 2 parties quarreling, 2 villages quarreling, 2 cities quarreling, 2 countries quarreling. So quarreling going on. Because everybody thinks, I am great. So quarreling begins. Dambha, this pride. Kali means vivada, quarreling, and pride. Pride is the measuring rod in Kali Yuga. Do you understand? Yes. So in the Kali Yuga, this Shravanam is the only thing required. Shravan Kirtan. Do you understand? Yes, Shravan Kirtan. You hear Krishna Katha, Bhagavad Katha, then you develop such prema bhakti. Knowing whom everything is known, then you can understand Krishna. See the beautiful form of Syama Sundar, and you will know everything. Knowing whom everything is done. That's means Vijnata, Sarva Vijnata. But there is a condition. How to hear? You don't know. You know how to hear? You know? Nonsense. Sadhu Sangha, that's right. How many are hearing, Baba? Tell me. How many are hearing? Many may come, sit down to hear. But really how many are hearing? On whose ears Krishna Katha enters? Bolo. Tell me. Bolo. Yes, there you are. Who is submissive? Yes. Prahlad Maharaj has said that thing. Do you follow? Prahlad Maharaj has said. Sravanam kirtanam Vishnu smaranam padasevanam archanam vandanam dasyam sakhyam atmanivedanam idi punsarpita Vishnu bhaktische navalakshana kriyeta bhavati adhatan mannet adhitam uttamam. Kriyeta bhavati adhatan mannet adhitam uttamam. Prahlad Maharaj says. Who here? These are ninefold. Navadha bhakti, Sravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Bandhanam, Dasyam, Sakyam, Atmavedanam. And begins with Sravanam. Begins first is Sravan, then comes Kirtan. Most important anga. But who hears? Kriyate bhavati adhatan mannet adhitavatam. Who is very submissive? Who is surrendered? You understand? Who is a surrendered soul, submissive, that he hears. Bhagavad Katha, Krishna Katha, enter into it. That is a proud fellow, puffed up fellow, dambha, dambhikata, though he may be sitting, but cannot hear. Krishna Katha will never. Tanmanyate adhitam uttamam. They say, one was surrendered unto the lotus feet of Krishna, Sadhguru, he hears, therefore said. Atmanivedan kari, has surrender, then hear. Then Katha will enter into your ears. You follow? Brahmanda bhamite ko bhagyavana jivo Brahmanda bhamite ko bhagyavana jivo Guru Krishna prasad paay bhakti lata bijo Guru Krishna prasad paay bhakti lata bijo Mali hoya kore sei bijo aropana Mali hoya kore sei bijo aropana Sravana kirtana bale koro ye sevana Sravana kirtana bale koro ye sevana Nitya siddha Krishna prema sadhya kabhuno Nitya siddha Krishna prema sadhya kabhuno Sravanadi sudhachite koroye udoye Sravanadi sudhachite koroye udoye Chaitanya Charitamrita says, Brahmanda bhamite kon bhagyavana jiva Guru Krishna prasade paay bhakti lata bijo Bhagyavana jiva, when a fortunate jiva. Wandering in lakhs of Brahmanda universes, undergoing lakhs of species of life, the fortunate jiva, by the mercy of Guru and Krishna, gets the seed of Bhakti Kripa, isn't it? Fortunate jiva, this is important, significant. What is that fortune? What is that good fortune? One may think he's a poor man, he won a lottery, he has purchased a lottery ticket, giving $1. Now won $1 million, well, good fortune, Is he fortunate? He thinks a great fortune, yes, he won, yes, $1 million. Is it like that fortune? No, Baba, that's not good fortune. One may meet Mr. Clinton, President of the USA. I am President of the USA, very good fortune. Is it that fortune? Is it that fortune? No, Baba, not for. Who meets Sadhu Guru, do you understand? Guru Krishna prasad paay bhakti lata bijo. Krishna prasad, Guru prasad. Mercy of Guru, one meets, and mercy of Krishna, one meets Guru. Then by mercy of Guru, one gets Krishna. So, this is Guru Krishna Kripa Bhakti. One who meets, so Sadhu Guru, that is good fortune. Bhagyavan. Because, what Bhagya? Now meeting the Sadhu Guru, hearing from him, he understands who am I. Oh, I am Krishna Daso. I am Krishna Daso. Sadhu sange nija tattva bhagato hono, nija tattva daniyar samsara na chai. Kenava bhojilu maya kore haya. And hears from Sadhu, then understand I am Krishna Das. Then he says, alas, alas, alas. Oh, why have I become Maya Das for lakhs of life? And not become Krishna Das? lots of life I have already undergone, becoming Maya. Then said, alas, 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 Kenava Hodilu Maya. Why I have become Maya? Then said, alas. Then said, that is good fortune. He was Mayadas, now he will become Krishnadas. That is good fortune. Up till now, he was Mayadas. Now he will become Krishna. This is good fortune. Understand me? Otherwise, not meeting Clinton, USA President, good fortune. No. Or winning in the lottery $1 million is not good fortune. This is good fortune to become Krishnadas. Meeting Sadhguru, now he will become Krishnadas. He was Mayadas for millions of lives. This is good fortune. Guru Krishna Bhakti Lata Bijo. Mari Hoyan Korisi, Bijo Aropon, Sravana Kirtan Dole Korisi. Then gardener, the seed is sown, as gardener takes care, then seed germinates, and develops. Watering is needed. Watering, isn't it? What is watering? Sravana Kirtan Dole Korisi. This hearing, chanting is the watering. To this Bhakti Kripa. This is Sravana Kirtan, hearing, chanting, Sadhu Sangha. One must do Sadhu Sangha, hear Krishna Katha, Bhagavad Katha, and engage in Sravana Kirtan. That is watering process. Then Bhakti Lata will grow up. This is all described in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prema Sadhya Kobunoy. Sravanadi Siddha Chite Korayuday. This is important. Significant. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prema. Krishna Prema is Sadhya. Do you understand? Sadhana Sadhya means as well as end. Sadhana means, Sadhya means end. What is end? Krishna Prema. Sadhya Vastu Prema. It is Nitya Siddha. It is eternally Siddha. Krishna Prema. Sadhya Kapula, it is not easily available. It is not easily available. What is the process? Sravanadi Suddha Chite Korayuday. Sravanadi Suddha Chite. Those who come daily and hear Bhagavad Katha, from Bhakta Bhagavata, Chaitanya Priyajana. Do you understand? Gaura Priyajana, who is very dear to Gauranga Mahaprabhu. Gaura Priya, Bhakta Bhagavata, embodiment of Bhagavata. Yes, Krishna Katha, Bhagavad Katha daily. That means he is engaged in watering the Bhakti Kripa. Then his heart becomes Suratang Sukata. Hearing Krishna Katha, his heart becomes purified. All material contamination, heart becomes purified. And a purified heart, that prema, sadhyavastu prema, generates. Understand? So, hearing is needed from the right source. That is last attainment, Krishna prema. And one cannot attain through his own effort. Can you attain it? He develops. That why he gets mercy of Sadhguru. He develops Krishna prema. Do you understand? He is Sravanakari. One is hearer. He is Sisya. He is Sisya. Do you understand? He is eternally Sisya. Nitya Sisya. Nitya. Eternally Sisya. Do you understand? Eternally Sisya. Yes. Eternally. Sada Sisya Thaki. Yes. I am eternally. Sisya, disciple of my Guru. Yes. I am eternally. Sisya, disciple of my Guru. Yes. My Guru, always speaking to me, always. He gives opportunity to hear Krishna Katha. Yes. Takes care of it. He catches my ear and slaps me. You rascal. Inflicts punishment, discipline on me. Otherwise, mind is very stupid, Baba. Rascal mind. Always slapped. Guru slaps. Inflicts discipline. A stupid mind cannot be controlled. Understand? Chaitanya Priyada. Yes, that is needed. Yes, that is needed. Sada Sisya Thaki. All that. Therefore, we are singing Bhaktivinoda Thakur's Gopinath song. Gopinath! Ke mone sodhive more. Gopinath, ke mone sodhive more. गोपीनाथ के माने शोधिबे मोरे, गोपीनाथ के माने शोधिबे मोरे, गोपीनाथ के माने शोधिबे मोरे, गोपीनाथ के माने शोधिबे मोरे। दुर्जनी तारिते तुम्हारो शोकती, दुर्जनी तारिते तुम्हारो शोकती, दुर्जनी तारिते तुम्हारो शोकती, दुर्जनी तारिते तुम्हारो शोकती। के आछे पापीरो आरो, गोपीनाथ के आछे गोपीनाथ के माने शोधिबे मोरे, गोपीनाथ के माने शोधिबे मोरे। नादानी भक्ति कर्मे जड़मती, नादानी भक्ति कर्मे जड़मती। पड़ेছি संसार घोरे, गोपीनाथ पड़ेছি संसार, गोपीनाथ के मने शोधिबे मोरे, गोपीनाथ के मने शोधिबे मोरे। So Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, oh Gopinath, how can you purify me? How can you purify me? How can you inflict discipline on me? Ke mone shodibe more. Na jani bhakti karme jadamati. I have no bhakti at all. I have no bhakti at all. I am a great materialistic person. Karme jadamati, great materialistic person. I have no bhakti. I am always engaged in materialistic activities. My mind is stupid, rascal, very pagol mono, mad mind, rascal, stupid mind, stubborn mind, all these things of this, objects of sense enjoyment, no bhakti at all. I am completely, very tightly bound up with this material bondage. Do you understand? Padechi sansar ghore, I am fallen here, dreadful ocean of materialistic existence, and have been drowning in the whirlpool of Maya. How can you, Gopinath, kemane sodhibe more? How can you purify me? Do you understand? Only by sadhu sangha, accepting sadhu guru and hearing from him, then your heart and mind will be purified. Do you understand? Sodhan karo. I said, please purify me, O Gopinath, please purify me. I will eternally remain as disciple. Yes, otherwise, unless you remain eternally disciple, unless Guru influences discipline on you, stupid mind cannot be controlled, Baba. Yes. Therefore, Bhakti will not fix. Please, Gopinath, please. Inflict punishment on me, discipline on me, because you are Guru. Do you understand? The bona fide representative of Gopinath is Guru. Do you understand? So, this is Abhiman. Soda Sishya Saki. Always remain Sishya, under discipline, then secure position. Otherwise, stupid mind, you see, mind cannot be controlled unless you are disciplined by Guru, unless you hear Krishna Katha, Bhagavad Katha from Sadhu Guru. Do you understand? Mind is very stupid. Therefore, first hear. And mind is, what to say? Very stupid. Don't rely on this stupid mind. Yes. Don't rely. Follow me. If you rely on stupid mind, he'll cheat you. He'll cheat you. Great cheater. Stupid mind. Understand Chaitanya Priyada? Stupid mind, uncontrolled mind is enemy. That uncontrolled stupid mind only can be disciplined, purified by hearing Krishna Katha, Bhagavad Katha from the lips of Sadhu Guru. Bhagavad Katha, Krishna Katha, Nityananda Katha. Nityananda's Katha. Hearing from the lips of Sadhguru, first hearing, stupid mind will be purified. Don't rely on stupid mind. Do you follow? Stupid mind. Those who rely on stupid mind, they put into all dangerous situations. The mind will cheat you any time. In fifth canto it says, Na kurjad karhi sakyam manasihi anavasthite jad visrambha chirachennam chaskanda tapaiswaram. Understand? Don't make friendship with your stupid mind. Understand me. Don't make friendship with your stupid mind. No. Kurjad karhi sakyam in friendship. Are you making friendship with the stupid mind? Madhavananda. Na kurjad karji sakyam manasihi anavasthite jad visrambha chirachinnam saskanda tapaiswaram. All learned scholars, Pandits, they have said, mind is very stupid, mind is very fleeting mind. Chanchal mana, yes. Chanchal mana, yes. Do you understand? This chanchal mana, so don't keep friendship with stupid, fickle mind. Don't rely on it. Don't put faith on your stupid mind. If you keep friendship, develop friendship with stupid mind, fleeting mind, chanchalaman, dustaman, and rely on it, any moment it will cheat you. Do you understand what to speak about others? We are tiny jiva. Even Shivaji, Brahmaji, Shivaji, yes, they are cheated. When they put faith on stupid mind. You understand? Shivaji developed that desire. Oh Lord, please show me your Mohini Murti. Stupid mind prompted. Oh Lord, I want to see your Mohini Murti. So he heard the prompting of his stupid mind, requested Lord to see his Mohini Murti. So Lord saw the Mohini Murti. What happened to Shivaji? Shivaji became, lusty, relying on stupid mind, ran behind Mohini Murti, discharged Sena. This thing happened, you see. He fell down. You see, Saubhari Muni, I was speaking about Saubhari Muni, was great yogi Muni, who underwent severe austerity of thousands of years. What happened when he heard the prompting of stupid mind, got up from the water of Jamuna into Mandhata. What 50 beautiful daughters. Hey, please give me one daughter, I want to marry. Such old Haga. Thousands of old. He cannot walk, you see. Yes, such. If you rely on your stupid mind, such thing will come. Yes. Don't rely on that person. Don't rely on stupid mind. See to any movement. Any movement. Kama manyur madaloka shokamoho vaya nityam dadati kamasya chidram tam anudevaraya yogina kridam utrasya patir jayate puschari. Bhagavata 5th canto says, uncontrolled mind and unchaste wife are same. Do you understand? Uncontrolled mind and unchaste wife are same. Yes. What does unchaste wife do? She keeps friendship with paramour. Understand? Paramour. Keeps friendship. Paramour neglects her husband. Do you follow? Now addicted to paramour, the husband is the obstacle, stumbling block. What to do? Stab him. Yes, finish him from our path. Taking help of the paramour, even she kills her husband. So unchaste wife and uncontrolled mind are same. Bhagavatam says, Nityam dadati kamasya chidram tam anudevaraya yogina krudha maitrasya padir jayeva punstari. So yogi or bhakti yogi or any type of yogi, if he relies on stupid mind, uncontrolled mind, then what happens? Such thing will happen that the enemies will come. What are the enemies? Kam, Krodha, lust and anger. They will come. As a result, yogi will fall down from his elevated position. You understand? So uncontrolled mind and unchaste wife are same. So don't rely on this uncontrolled mind. Kama manyur madalobha sokamoho bhayadaya karma bandhascha dhanamula stri kujya konu tadbuddha. It can go. Kama manyur madalobha sokamoho bhayadaya karma bandhascha dhanamula stri kujya konu tadbuddha. Any Buddha Pandit, one is real Pandit, he never relies upon this stupid mind, uncontrolled mind. Do you understand? Kama, Krodha, Lobha, Moha, Mada, Soka. The lust, greed, anger, delusion, pride, lamentation, material fear, the root cause of all these is uncontrolled mind. You understand? The root cause of this is uncontrolled mind. If your mind is uncontrolled, then all these things flock up there. So, then, how a Pandit will rely on such uncontrolled mind? Stupid mind. Don't rely. In Bhagavatam, so many things are said about the control of the mind. Gita said, Atma eva hi atmana bandhu atma eva ripuratmana. Bandhu atma tasya jena atma eva atmana jita. Anatmana tu satrute vartate atma eva satruvat. Isn't it? Isn't it? You understand that word? Atma eva hi atman bandhu atma eva ripuratmana. Atma means mind. Atma means your mind. Mind is your friend and mind is your enemy. Controlled mind is your friend, uncontrolled mind is enemy. Atma eva atmana bandhu, atma eva ripuratmana. Bandhu atma atmana tasya jena atma eva atmana jita. Anatmana tu satrute vartate atma eva satruvat. Whose mind is controlled, then that controlled mind is a friend. If someone lives with uncontrolled mind, so then uncontrolled mind is enemy. So he is living with an enemy. Vipapa. So, what is the means way? How can you control? How can one control the stupid mind, uncontrolled mind? Bhatruvyam enam tada adabhravirjyam upekhyaadhedhitam apramatta guror hare saranopasastro jahi belikam swayam atmamosham. This instruction is, this uncontrolled mind is your great enemy. If you want all auspiciousness for you, you have to first control your uncontrolled mind. What is that? Don't give him any chance, any opportunity. Don't listen to him. Don't listen to that, the promptings of uncontrolled mind. If you listen to him, if you give him opportunity, do you follow? If you give him opportunity, that uncontrolled mind, stupid mind, if you listen to him, then he'll gather strength. He'll become very strong, and he'll capture you. He'll capture you. Do you understand? He'll capture you. You cannot conquer him. He will be victorious. You'll be defeated. Understand? So, but mind is yours subordinate. You are the master. In Gita, Bhagavan Krishna said, Indriyabha paramana manasatva parabuddhi ja buddhetu paratasa. Mind is superior to the senses, buddhi, intelligence is superior to mind, and you, soul, is superior to buddhi. So mind is your subordinate, but don't become his das. Don't become the servant of the mind, don't become godas, become his master. So, but stupid mind is very stubborn, strong, yes. Therefore this is the weapon. Guror harissaram panastro dahi belikam sungatamosam. This is the weapon. What is the weapon? Hari Guru Charana Upasanastra. Understand me? This is weapon. Take shelter of Hari Guru. Understand? Take shelter of Hari Guru, lotus feet of Hari Guru. That is weapon. That is weapon. Do you follow? That is weapon. That weapon, you conquer this stupid mind, strong mind, stubborn mind. Do you follow? Mind always wants to hear the higher commands. Yes. So Guru, Hari Guru, higher authority. Gurudev has said this thing, you stupid mind, I want to listen to you. Stupid mind is prompting. Oh yes, do like this. Go to that brothel. Do that thing. Hey, stupid mind, I want here. Gurudev has said, no illicit sex. Sang Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Always prompting. Stupid mind, uncontrolled mind, always prompting jiva for this sense enjoyment. Do you understand? So, fast weapon is don't listen to it. Don't listen to what stupid mind prompts the past. Second weapon, Hari Guru Charnopasana. Take shelter of lotus feet of Hari Guru. Very strictly follow the instructions of Guru. Do you understand? Gurudev has said, I want to hear to you. You have to hear from me, you stupid mind. That is the weapon. That is the weapon. Bhakti Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur has said, Nanu balavantam imam durbaloham katham nigrana mityata aho guru sakasat praptasya mantra rupasya haresarana ayurupasana sravanadi navavidha bhakti revastram. You understand? Sravanadi navavidha bhakti. Sravanam kirtanam Vishnu. Understand my language? Navavidha, 9 types. Sravanam kirtan begins from Sravana kirtan, navavidha bhakti. Gurudev has said, this is astra. Given this mantra, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram. This is astra we have received from Guru, taking shelter of the lotus feet of Hari Guru. That is instruction of Sadhguru. Very strictly follow, and he has given this mantra to engage yourself, Savanam Kirtanam, always. That is the weapon. With that weapon, you will be able to conquer the stupid mind and uncontrolled mind. Otherwise, no other way is there. Mind is so stupid, rascal, stubborn, disobedient. So always, here in the association of sadhus, and here Krishna Katha, Hari Katha, Bhagavad Katha. Thereby, your mind will be purified, consciousness will be purified, heart will be purified. You develop Krishna Prema. That is the real perfection of life. Do you understand? So you develop Krishna Prema, mind is absorbed. Manvana bhava, mind is absorbed. Mind will always think of Krishna, then Krishna takes care of you. Hrishikesa. Tumi Hrishikesa. Hrishikadamya. Bhaktivinoda Thakur therefore prays to Gopinath. Aradamenachami, I admit my defeat. I tried my best to exercise control over the stupid mind, but I failed. The stupid pagal mana, mad mind, is not listening to me. I am defeated now. You are the only hope, therefore I take shelter at your lotus feet. Gopinath, Hrishikesh, please take care of my stupid mind. Understand? With your own effort you cannot do. Thank you. So, any question?
Externally, my first Sabari Muni fall down seeing two fishes together.
Saubhari Muni,
Was it because of his Vaishnava Aparad?
Yes, Vaishnava Aparad was there, yes. Vaishnava Aparad was there. Once Garuda cut up a big fish. He was hungry. Garuda is Vaishnava carrier of Vishnu, you see. And fish is food. So, he caught a big fish to eat. Saubhari Muni was there. So, he cursed him. Oh, why the Garuda did like that? If he again come here, he'll die. Do you understand? Do you follow? That Saubhara is cursed. So Garuda doesn't go to Jamuna. Do you understand? Therefore Kalindi, that Kalindi Radha, Kaliya Nag took shelter. Do you follow? Garuda couldn't come. Garuda eats snake. Garuda is the enemy of the snakes. Do you understand? Vinata Putra. Is the son of Vinata. Do you understand? Mother is Vinata, Vainiteya. Garuda is Vainiteya. And snakes are these children of Kadru. Do you understand? Vinata, Kadru, co-wives, Sautuni. So they quarrel, enmity is there. So sons of Kadru are snakes. And son of Vinata is Garuda. So snakes, Garuda, they are enemy. Garuda eats snake. So Saubhari Muni is cursed there, but Garuda doesn't go there. So Kaliya Nag took shelter there. You follow? He thereby committed Vaishnava Parad. Garuda is a Vaishnava, is a carrier of Lord Vishnu. So he committed. Therefore, he developed such lusty desire. You follow me? Yes. Developed that lusty desire. Therefore, tell them from such elevated position of yoga. Yes. Yes. All right.
It seems like the discipline of the Guru is very important to help one to control the mind.
Yes.
So,
because stupid mind always wants higher command. Guru's order higher. Gurudev has said this thing. I won't listen to you, stupid mind. You have to hear to me. You understand? And it is said also. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Prabhupada Maharaj says, getting up early in the morning, beat your stupid mind at least 100 times with broomstick. With broomstick. Do you understand? Getting up early in the morning, beat your stupid mind with broomstick at least for 100 times. Then, before retiring to bed at night, again beat your stupid mind 100 times with the shoes. What is that? Beating stupid mind means Guru has given mantra, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. That is beating the stupid mind. Understand? Yes, beating the stupid mind. Understand? Hare is Vasana mantra, yes.
We were discussing last night about Guru-disciple relationship. We've been having a question. What is the difference between devotional activities before someone is initiated? What is the difference between performing devotional activities without being initiated?
Before.
And performing them proper initiation.
Before you are doing a musical activity. I'll do this thing. Then stupid mind says, no, don't like that. All right. It changes. Do this thing. Then again stupid mind found something. All right, I'll do this thing. Jumping like a monkey from one branch to another branch. Isn't it? Jumping like a monkey from Dallas to Atlanta to Orleans to Washington, D.C., like jumping like that. All right, go there, do that. It's jumping like a monkey. Stupid mind, hearing the prompting of stupid mind. It is like that. Then accepted Guru. What Guru says, no, do this, stay here, love this. Oh, stupid mind, I won't listen to you. Have told me. Gurudev has ordered like this. Yes.
what should the disciple do when the Guru passes away?
When
the Guru passes away, what should the disciple do if we need the instruction?
You are a fool. Guru is always with the disciple, Baba. That is only apparent Guru passed away. Is not that Guru is not there, Baba. Guru is always there. Yes. I am eternally, his disciple is eternally my Guru. Yes. Such relationship is there. Is only apparent he passes away, but he is always it. We have such loving relationship. Guru has, though he is not present here, let's go back went back home, gone back home, back to Godhead. From that land, Brajabhumi, Nitya, Golak Vrindavan, he has eye on his dear disciple. Do you understand? He takes care. Chakhyudan dilajayi janme janme prabhu shai. One who has opened my eyes is my master life after life. Why not in this life? If Guru passes away, but he has eye on his dear disciple, What he does, takes care. He appears in the form of sadhu shastra. In the form of sadhu and shastra, he appears. Where is the disciple is staying? Nearby, if some sadhu, qualified sadhu, Vaishnava is there, he empowers him. He empowers him and he teaches through him. That is Guru is there. Yes. Nitya, eternal. I am eternally his disciple, eternally my master. Yes. Fools cannot understand, no more my Guru is gone. I can act anything I can do. Then you hear your stupid mind. Then, now, you are become hippie, long hair, big moustaches, and drinking liquor. Oh, my Guru has passed away. No more. Prabhupada is no more. What happens, Baba? Such condition. Fools, isn't it? So many Prabhupada's disciples. Seeing them, my heart cracks. Oh, what had happened? Yes. When I saw that Adikesam there, my heart cracked. Oh, he was sannyasi, he was a GBC member. Now big moustaches, long hair, hippie. What had happened, Baba? Yes, you see. Fools. Yes, fools. Guru is always there, Baba, always there. He takes care. Yes, he has. If you are serious, if you are really crying for the help of Guru, is always there, Baba. Always there. Now my Guru is gone, I am independent, now can act anything. Then you have become servant in your stupid mind. Godas. Yes, you are not using the weapon given to you by Guru. Now you have lost it. Understood? All right, thank you. Evening. In the evening. Leave? Why you leave? Stay. Why are you leaving? Leaving. I have business. What business you have? The only business. It's the only business. What business you have?
This thing because he came to war.
Yeah, he comes to say.
Yeah. This is important thing, Baba. That is most important. Take care of it. Why leaving? Govinda he.
He was saying that he was praying that I pray that I may always see my Guru.
Yes.
Before me in as many different forms.
Yes. Guru is always there. He slaps me. Yes, I understand. Very well. So, yes. If a vision you can see, Baba, and if you are really crying in your heart for the help of Guru, it's always there. Always there. Yes. Always there. Fools cannot understand it. You are fools. They cannot understand it. Guru is gone. No more. Nobody to inflict discipline on me. I am independent. I can do whatever I like. Then he become das of his stupid mind. That's the prompting of his stupid mind. Then falls down. Now he's hippie. Again hippie. Punahar Mushiko Baba. Punahar Mushiko Baba.
I become right.
Become right. And they were hippies. Prabhupada made them happy. Now again become hippie.
Unhappy.
Prabhupada made the hippies happy. After the past, this happens. Prabhupada again became hippies.
They get very upset. He tried to disturb them. And said, "Don't. I'm very happy now. I just have to be very honest with myself. This is my situation." I say like that.
Yes. You are building air in the castle. Building air in the castle. Huh? And eating Dilli ka laddu. Eating Dilli ka laddu. Huh? Man kela khata hai. In Bengali one sing, man kela khata. Man kela khata. Huh? Huh? Is eating Dilli ka laddu. In Orissa is Dilli ka laddu. Khana hai? Huh? Bengali mein hai, man kela khata hai. Huh? He is eating right banana in his mind. Man kela khata. Huh? You are from? He's
temple president.
Temple
That's
president.
nice. Ah, sir. Very good.
Prabhupada second.
Stay. Why go? Understand?
Yes, Your Worship.
What is yoga? Yoga is the training of the mind, nothing else. This is yoga, training of the mind. All teachings are again, it's all training of the mind. This is yoga. You understand? This is yoga. Yes, mind is controlled, fixed at lotus feet. Then you are perfect yogi. Yoginanga visarveshang mudgatein antaratmana sardhava anavasati jama swami yukta kalmati. It's the best type of yogi. Isn't it? With love and affection, unflinching faith, engaged in my bhajan. This is the best type of yogi. Yes.
Sadasishyataki.
Sadasishyataki.
Such a nice word.
Sishya.
Nobody is preaching like
No, Sadasishya. Sishya.
unpalatable truth.
Sishya. And disciple.
They just like Sadasishya, but no taki.
Thaki means always. Thaki means remain. Sishya. Yes.
They like to say, I'm always Sishya,
Yes.
but no discipline needs
No
to be
more
there.
discipline. Don't want discipline, we want to enjoy now.
Yes.
Guru's gone, we want
Guru's gone, I'm normal disciple, no discipline there. Then mind is my guru is now. Stupid mind. You're listening to the prompting of stupid mind. Yes.
Probably quoted Bhaktisiddhanta that he said that we built this big temple in Bagh-Bazar, but now everyone's simply fighting over
Yes.
which room to stay in.
Yes, we're fighting. Who can
Trying to
occupy and enjoy?
Same almost now.
Huh?
Same almost now.
Yes,
with
same
many God
thing.
brothers.
Same thing,
Many of
same.
us are fighting.
Yes, same thing, Baba.
Now even many God brothers GBC men
Yes,
even
yes.
growing hair, and then they're saying that we should all just go get jobs
Yes.
and just make congregation. They don't want to even fill the temples anymore.
Same thing going on. Yes. One will listen to a stupid mind, then he'll get your Baba. Finished. Baba.
Jai Gurudev.